Check out one of our newest updates. Now we have a certificate trigger and action within workflows. This feature is going to allow your business to automate actions based on certificate issuance, improving efficiency and customer experience for those amazing courses you all create. Let's talk about the benefits. First of all, this is going to automate your certificate process. Now you can automatically trigger workflow actions based on the issuance of certificates. You can also enhance your customization. Now you can filter workflows by certificate templates and conditions. You're also going to improve customer engagement because now you can issue certificates as a part of automatic workflow actions. As far as practical use goes, if you're a business offering an online course, now you can automatically issue a certificate upon course completion and even trigger a follow-up email congratulating customers and suggesting advanced courses, all without manual intervention. So since this is in workflows, we're going to go ahead into automation on the left-hand menu and then into workflows. And then from there, we're going to click plus create workflow. Now you're going to notice the new trigger called certificates issued. The way you find this is to click on add new trigger and then look for certificates issued. Now you'll go ahead and click the add filters. And you're going to go ahead and customize those filters. Go ahead and go to your standard fields and choose what you want to utilize. You will select an operator. This is going to be is, it could be is empty, is not, or is not empty. The most common is to use is. Now go ahead and select the template and simply save. Now let's talk about the action that is now added. So if you are going to be adding an action, you would select the action, and then you would start to look for issue certificate. Now you can simply select the template and go ahead and save. This feature would be that maybe your trigger would be that they completed the course. And so this would be a follow-up action that you could take by sending them that certificate. This feature enhances automation and customization right within the CRM, making it easier for your business to manage certification processes and improve user engagement efficiently. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.